What's up with it? It's your boy McFly. Welcome back to the land of McFly. If this is your first time over here, feel free to drop a like, comment on the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Your boy's out here working hard, man. I think I'm the hardest working person in shoetainment right now. Yeah, that's a word, shoetainment. I coined that, copyrighted or something. It's mine. I said, if anybody else said it, they took it from me. Anyway, you know, putting out 4 vids a week, man, 3 weeks straight. We own it. I'm not playing, man. I'm out here. We're going to get to the top of this mountain. In for real. Hikers. Them trail things. With that being said, man, we got part 3 of the Pharrell NMD Solar HU pack. And we saved the last for last. We saved the last for last. Just playing, man. This time around, we've got the pink, blue, and yellow pair. I feel kind of bad that I don't know the proper terms for these shoes. Well, this particular pair of shoes, because I usually have all that information. But this time around, I don't, man. Don't be mad at me. I'll make up for it on the next one, man, I promise. But here it is, as always, like we do over here. We're gonna zoom you in and hit you with that close-up. Now that I got you zoomed up, we've got the pink pair. And this pair, I think is the worst pair out of the pack. I take that back. I thought it was the worst pair out of the pack. But after looking at it, this pair is dope, man. And I don't really like things that are pink, but I'm gonna grow out of it one day, I guess. But I don't know, I was scarred back in the day, and you just, something about pink, man. You just you just don't do it. But just to show you how uniform this stuff is, this one here is the size 9.5. This pair here actually came from Social Status. Shout out to Social Status. And believe it or not, man, these things were hanging around. Saturday, it was a trip. I mean, it was like 11 something, and they were still on the site, man. So I know a lot of people got lucky. There's really no excuse, I feel, if you wanted this shoe, that you didn't get it, unless you just woke up stupid late. Adidas paper, just like the other box. Little sticker in there right by the hole. All of them have it. Right in here, right in there on the lid. It's all uniform on all of it. Now I think what I like most, I think on this pair, I love the fact that it says Motherland on it. I think that's really what kind of makes me like it. And the fact that they put blue laces with it. So the blue in the, I'll take this pair since it's got the laces on it. So the blue really matches, you know, the cage. And it's got your 3M hits on it. You still got your standard little Letterman material with the thick fly knit on there. Also, they gave you a little extra on these pull tabs. They're still 3M, but they're green. Why didn't they change the colors on the other 2 pairs? All of a sudden the pink pair gets green. Upsetting me. Sock liner, still probably the dopest part of the shoe. You got that yellow bottom, that banana, that Gucci lemonade on there. Let's see if I can get this to focus on that number. Oh, I'll try that. Same material on all of them. Standard white laces. Put your inside on that. Size tag. For all the naysayers and non-believers. It's not a game, baby boy. It's real deal over here. That's why we call them real reviews. You ain't getting none of that foo-foo. None of that, it ain't it. None of that replica. None of that. Why'd you buy it? Nothing but the finest of kicks. Back pull tab on that one. And that one. Can't beat it, man. Not a fan of pink, but this shoe, I'd actually consider getting it. If I could get it under retail, I'd buy it. For retail or over retail, probably not. I wish they had to put Motherland on one of the other pairs, but it don't even really matter. They really knocked this pack out of the park, man. This was definitely a home run. I don't, you know, were y'all feeling it? Let me know how y'all thought about it. I really would have been good with either pair except the pink pair, but what are y'all thinking? They hung around a little while. I've never really seen Pharrell's hang around, but I think they dope, man. I buy what I like. It's what I do, and I encourage y'all to do the same. But until the next video, we up out of here, man. I'll holler at you.